Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add payment method in Bybit. In order to do this, you will have to first launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Once done, on the home page, you are going to see this More tab. So you need to tap on More and then you need to tap on B2P trading option. Afterwards, you need to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then tap on user center over here. You are going to see the option of payment method. So you need to tap on payment method and then you need to tap on add new. But for adding payment method, it's important that your account is verified. Afterwards, you will be asked to select a payment method. So if you tap on this drop arrow button, you will be able to see a bunch of different payment methods that you can add in your Bybit account. So you just have to choose the one that best suits you or the one that you want to add. And after that, you just have to provide your full name and your details relating to the account that you have selected. For example, I have selected bank transfer. So you will have to provide your bank account number, your bank branch, your bank's name, and then you just have to press this confirm button in the bottom. So this way you will be able to easily add a payment method in a Bybit. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.